pleasure to welcome you all to yet another interesting live session of Summer Fiesta 2020 organized by Delhi Public School, Dhenkanal. I am Afrin Hakim. I have with me Hirodra Mahapatra.
So our theme for today will be discovering the importance of words. Do you know, children, practicing word puzzles 25 minutes a day could boost up your IQ level by 4 points?
Oh wow, Hirodra ma'am, that sounds amazing. I really had no idea about this. Moreover, playing certain word games would strengthen your vocabulary, enhance your speaking skills, and boost up your logical reasoning. I'm sure all my lovely children and friends are watching us now would eventually agree that word games are really power-packed for them.
Indeed, Afrin ma'am, I do agree with you. So without wasting further time, let's hand over the session to our beloved Pragya ma'am, Natasha ma'am and Shweta ma'am.
Over to you, my dear teachers.
Welcome everyone and thank you for joining us for today's live session. While we were discussing about what we can do towards creating more value for students, especially during this lockdown, what I thought was there is probably a need of learning English, and friends, let me tell you that English is, I think, one of the most interesting subjects ever known. And if we go ahead and conduct a survey, we would find that through it, though it is a foreign language, which most of the schools across the world, except countries are teaching English, is one of the most loved subjects among the students. Today, to make it more interesting, we have come up with some very exciting games. Isn't it, Shweta ma'am?
Yes, Natasha ma'am, I do agree with all that you just now told us. I definitely accept that words have tremendous power. Hello everyone, I am Shweta Dalmia and I am going to reiterate and explain you the importance and the power of words. Welcome one and all. The things which you say will last for a lifetime. So my dear friends, choose your words carefully. Yes, that brings us to a very important point, the power of spoken words. The way we use words, it completely decides our destiny too. And I must tell you that words are, using the words in proper sense is very important, and they have a special importance, especially when it comes to verbal and written communication. However, my dear friends, the importance of body language and expressions can definitely not be disregarded while we speak about the effectiveness of communication. But again, to remind you, my dear children, words are face of communication. They are concrete expressions of our thoughts. They are lyrics of a song. They can be keywords to a particular answer. And most of all, I feel that words are like energies moving all around us. What do you say, Pragya ma'am?
Absolutely right, Shweta ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I, Pragya Paramita, welcome you to the live session on literary activities. And the activity which I am going to conduct is based on sentence structure. So as you all know, children, sentence structure provides us with the framework for the clear written as well as the spoken expression of our ideas. But remember, children, in order to construct a sentence, we need a highly vocabulary power, and it improves all the areas of our communication like listening, speaking, reading and writing. So children, it helps us also to think and to learn about our world. But remember, children, every child's vocabulary is important and unique because it often not given much time or attention or thought to improve it, but it tends to develop over time with age. What do you think, Shweta ma'am? Am I right?
Yes, absolutely, Pragya ma'am. And now I would request Natasha ma'am to start a series of activities. Are you ready, Natasha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Young minds need to be fostered with something that gives us an opportunity to think over. It's quite important that their creativity and thinking ability develop as they grow, as they are the ones that will make the world a better place to live in. Experts recommend children as something they help to improve their thinking ability and creativity. So what they recommend is riddles. It provides an opportunity to learn. It's necessary that young minds get ample of opportunities to think and develop. So I think many of you must have guessed it correct. Yes, our first round of today's session is on riddles. And this game is not for us, it's for you all. So you all must participate and send your answers in the comment section below. You all need to be very fast in typing, and since it's your parents' ID, so don't forget to mention your name along with the answers. So let's get started, teachers.
Yes, why not, Natasha ma'am?
Yes. So let's see the first question. I am first on earth, second in heaven. I appear twice a week, though you can only see me once in a year. I repeat my question. I am first on earth, second in heaven. I appear twice a week, though you can only see me once in a year. What am I? So students, look at the question on your screen and you may send your answers in the comment section.
You may start typing your answers, children, in the comment box of the Facebook page which you are watching us live on.
Students, please send your answers. Yes. So, let's see the first question. I repeat my question. So, Shweta ma'am, are there any responses on the screen?
Well, no, Natasha ma'am. As of now, we do not have any responses. So, let us move ahead. I think the correct answer to me looks the letter E. Is it correct,
Exactly.
Natasha
Perfect,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Anjali Patnaik has also.
Oh, wow. Okay, yes.
Wow.
Okay, very good. Anjali Patnaik was given the right answer.
Okay. So, moving on to the next question. Many have heard me, but no one has seen me, and I will not speak back until spoken to. Who am I? I repeat my question. Many have heard me, but no one has seen me, and I will not speak back until spoken to. Who am I?
Let us wait for the responses to flow in, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Okay, you may see the question on your screen and just type in your answers. Send across your responses.
Children, come on, be fast and type your answer in the comment box.
They are still answering question
Yes,
number
they are
one.
still
Very
answering
good.
to the first riddle. And most of the answers they are answering is correct there. Let's wait for a second or two there.
Okay.
You may repeat your question once again, Natasha ma'am.
Yes. Many have heard me, but no one has seen me, and I will not speak back until spoken to. I repeat my question. Many have heard me, but no one has seen me.
Yes, Natasha ma'am, we have Manish Sahani there with the right
Very-
answer. The
very
first
good,
person
yes.
to answer. That is
Excellent.
Echo.
Excellent, Manish.
Excellent.
Yes, that's the
Excellent,
correct answer.
Manish.
Very good, Manish.
Very good. Okay, moving on to the next question. That is question number 3. People purchase me to eat, but they never eat me. What am I? I repeat my question. People purchase me to eat, but they never eat me. What am I? Students, send across your answers.
You may show the question on the screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The question
Look at
you
the
can-
question on the screen and type in your answers.
This is the third riddle, children. Awaiting your answers. Lakshmi Priya Swai gives us an answer air, and I think that's not the correct answer.
Oh, no, ma'am.
We have Rainbow again, another answer.
Purchase me to eat.
Okay,
Yes,
Itishri
go
Nayak has the correct answer there. Plates.
Yes.
Fabulous,
Yes, yes,
Itishri.
very
Well done.
good. Well done. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. I am not heavy, but even the strongest man can't hold me for long. I repeat my question. I am not heavy, but even the strongest man can't hold me for long. What am I? It may be tricky, but
You can,
still
Natasha.
trying. I am not heavy, but even the strongest man can't hold me for long.
Let us wait for the response. I'm sure our children will be able to answer that one as well,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We still have students answering to the previous riddles. The answer was plate. Most of you are getting that correct, children. Keep sending your responses. I really appreciate that.
Have any responses?
No,
for question
nothing,
number 4?
nothing, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, I repeat my question. I'm not heavy, but even the strongest man can't hold me for long. What am I? I think this is quite
Somebody
tricky,
said
ma'am.
ice, but ice is not the correct answer there, children. Tears are also not very appropriate there. I am looking for another answer, students. Ice, all ice answers flowing in.
Okay, let me share the correct answer, ma'am. The correct answer is breath.
Shashmita Raut, yes, I will agree with Shashmita Raut. Yes, Natasha ma'am, while you were giving in the answer, Shashmita Raut, I wonder if it is the student's name or the parent's name, has given the correct answer. The answer is breadth.
Very good. Okay. So moving on to the next question. I travel around the world but only stay in one corner. I repeat my question. I travel around the world but only stay in one corner. What am I?
Natasha
That
ma'am,
sounds
you
to
can-
be a good one, ma'am. Just
You
share
can
that
show
question
the-
over the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, have a look. Maybe if the camera would be a little closer, we would be able to show it to our students. Read out that question. Children, now we
I
have the
travel
next
around
riddle.
the world but only stay
In one corner.
What am I?
Again, air. Of course not, children. Air is not the
Not in
correct
one
answer.
corner. Air is everywhere.
Sun is also not the correct answer. We
No.
have some responses. Let's wait for a second or two, Natasha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think, ma'am, it's not visible. Better you speak the question.
You repeat that again.
Okay, the question is, I travel around the world but only stay in one corner. I repeat my question. I travel around the world but only stay in one corner. What am I?
Well, Natasha ma'am, I think I have figured out the answer. Should I share it?
Sure, ma'am.
I think the answer is stamp, isn't it?
Perfect, ma'am.
Okay.
Very good. Okay. So we'll go for the next question.
Yes, please.
I have a face but no eye. I have hands but no arms. What am I? I repeat my question. I have a face but no eye. I have hands but no arms.
That's
What
an
am
easy
I?
one.
That's quite easy, ma'am, but are students responding?
Students
Is there
are
any-
still responding to the past one. Sun, moon. We have a lot of responses, but I'm looking for the correct response to the sixth riddle ma'am has read out just now.
I repeat my question. I
Again
have
the
a
question.
face but no eye. I have hands but no arms. What am I?
We have Sulochana Praveen Pradhan. I think that is Soumya Pradhan giving the correct answer. Clock.
Very
Yes,
good.
absolutely correct,
Very
Soumya.
good.
That is the correct
Excellent.
answer.
Yes. Okay, moving on to the seventh question. I am a celebrity fish. Which fish am I? I am a celebrity fish. Which fish am I? This is quite an easy one. So I think students are responding, ma'am.
Students are still responding with the previous riddle clock there. So we have to hang in there a little longer. Keep repeating your question. Once again,
Yes.
Natasha ma'am.
I am a celebrity fish. Which fish am I? This is the seventh riddle and students please answer this. I am a celebrity fish. Which
Nemo.
fish am
No,
I?
it's not Nemo. Ayushman Malik has answered Nemo. Okay, Rashmita Nayak. Itishri is the child's name and the correct answer is starfish.
Very good. Okay.
Fabulous.
Yes. Okay, moving on to the next question. I can be seen in water, but I am never wet. I can be seen in water, but I am never wet. What am I?
Answer the next riddle now.
Please send across your responses, students. Ma'am, is there any response?
No responses. I think we can go ahead with the response. Natasha ma'am, you will have to disclose the answer.
Yes, the correct answer is reflection.
Okay.
I can be seen in water, but I'm never wet. Reflection
Yes,
is seen in
absolutely.
water, but it's never wet. Okay, now I would like Pragya ma'am to take over the session.
Okay, thank you, Natasha ma'am. Now, the activity I am going to conduct is based on sentence structure. As you all know, for constructing a sentence, it requires all the 8 parts of speech, as you all know. It's the nouns, the pronouns, the adjectives, adverbs, verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So, what I am going to do is, I'll show you a noun. For example, you can see, I'm going to show you a noun. You need to add an adjective to this noun, an appropriate adjective to this noun. Then I'll add my verb. Again, you will add your adverb. So, come on children, be fast and write down add one adjective to this particular noun. Come on, write down in your comment box with your name, children. Children, be fast and add an adjective to this noun. I started with you only, children. Any responses, ma'am?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Children, be very smart. I already gave an answer for the noun only. I have already answered. I have already added one adjective to this noun. Smart children. You do not write, please do not write the smart children. You can add any other adjective. Any responses, ma'am?
Not yet, ma'am.
Use a describing word, children.
Describing.
Describe the
Add
word
an
children here.
adjective or describe the noun children. Adjective which describes a noun.
Go ahead with the response,
Yes,
Pragya ma'am. I'm sure you have an
The
adjective.
smart children. My children, I feel my children are smart, and I am adding verb to the smart children are playing dash. You can add an adverb to the sentence.
Well, ma'am, I would like to remind my children your adverbs are words which describe a verb. They add more meaning to a verb, children. I'm sure you will be able to figure out a better word now.
Adverb, let me explain you. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So write, add an adjective. I have already added an adjective to the noun smart children. The smart children are playing in the park dash. Add an an adverb.
All right, ma'am, I would like to add an adverb.
Shweta
here.
ma'am.
The smart children, what is the verb which you gave us?
Are playing in the park
Happily.
happily. So happily, merrily, that is an adverb.
Fantastic. That was a good one, ma'am.
Chalo, the next noun is giraffe. You can see it's already I have shown on the screen. The noun is giraffe.
We are
You
looking
can
for an
add an
adjective.
adjective. Very good adjective. Come on, children. You might have forgotten English grammar, I think.
In this lockdown. Yeah.
Yes. So you have
Doesn't matter,
forgotten your
Kiyotra, ma'am.
English
Why don't you add an
grammar.
adjective to giraffe?
Adjective. Describe giraffe.
Tall giraffe.
You see,
Okay.
teachers are very smart here. Teachers are giving the right answer. Any responses, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, nothing yet.
Oh, I think you might have forgotten academics part. You have already forgotten an English grammar.
Doesn't matter.
So it's a tall giraffe. The tall giraffe is walking at an adverb. Again. Any responses, ma'am?
No,
Not
ma'am.
yet, not yet.
Teachers?
Just still responding to the previous question. That is for
Ma'am,
children.
actually, they need some time to figure out what we are doing basically, no? That's why this delay is happening.
Told one adjective.
That is for
Lina.
children. That is for
For the
children.
little children. Soham, Pusti, very good. Soham, at least
That is of
you
standard
you have given the correct
Standard
answer.
three.
Correct answer and clap for
These are
Soham. I
standard
think Soham,
three.
ma'am. Standard
Yes.
3. Yes, very good.
Very good. Excellent.
Very good.
Okay, we have a good there that can be used as an adjective for the giraffe as well. What do you say, Pragya ma'am? What do you feel?
Yes, giraffe. The tall giraffe is walking dash.
Okay,
And
very
You
an
can add an
adverb.
adverb.
Yes.
Come on, children.
all ly
Very
words are
smart
adverbs.
children.
Yes. And by words.
Any ly verbs, adverbs. Ly, slowly, happily. You can add ly. It's very easy.
Ma'am, you given the response.
Chalo, let
and-
me-
Yes.
I am going to tell you the answer. The tall giraffe is walking slowly, happily, anything. So the next noun is car. I have already given a hint for the noun.
Add an
What
adjective
color?
here.
You can add a color. You can describe the noun color. I have already colored the noun also. You can see. Any responses, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
You can see the color is also, you can add the color. The color which describes this noun is also an adjective. I have already simplified for you.
Somebody is saying, ma'am, it's not visible. Can you just
Bring it closer to the
C-A-R,
see?
car.
Yes.
Maybe due to the reflection.
C-A-R, it's car. I have colored it also. You can describe the color for the noun C-A-R. Come on, children. Smart children, very active, energetic children. I am using so many adjectives for you.
There is already
Come on.
a hint in the
Still
words
answering
there.
the first
Exactly.
question. They're answering the first
They're
question.
still answering the first question.
Give answer for this one. Add an adjective for this particular word, not for the
Previous ones.
previous words. C-A-R, car. It's
Please
already
be
colored.
fast,
You can
students.
What are the various colors of cars?
cars.
Add
I
a
have
color
already
there.
colored the car also. The car is already colored.
Don't share the responses of the previous questions, please. You can share it of this question.
Ma'am, I think we can go
question.
ahead with an adjective.
Yes,
Add an adjective.
the red car moved fast. Fast is an adverb. Next, the next noun is girls. I think my girls are very smart. Girls, girls. You can add an adjective. Girls specially, pay attention and write down the answer, the adjective for the girls specially. Girls, girls.
Please be fast, students.
Be first children, very smart and very energetic, active also.
I think beautiful is the most appropriate adjective for girls, Pragya ma'am. Beautiful,
The
isn't
word
it?
beautiful really suits for girls. The beautiful girls are dancing gracefully, and the gracefully is the word which is an adverb. Okay, I think you all enjoyed this activity. Now I am passing to Shweta ma'am. Shweta ma'am.
Thank you, Pragya ma'am. We really enjoyed. I wonder why children could not pass on their responses. Doesn't matter. I again have another activity planned up for you, and that will reiterate the importance of spelling, the correct spellings. And I'm sure you all must be always wondering why teachers are constantly scolding us and penalizing us about misspelled words. But children's spelling is a very important part of written and reading English. So let us begin the next round of activities. Very simple. I have few jumbled up words. I will show them to you through the screen. You just have to rearrange the letters and form a meaningful word out of it.
I
so
hope
here,
students share their responses. on
yes,
this activity, ma'am.
keep sharing your responses. We'll go really fast. Otherwise, we will not be able to make much use of this session, children. All right, here comes the first cue. Watch out, children. Can you see the letters on the screen? If we could have the camera closer to us. Yes, thank you. SOTOCUP. That's a jumbled up word. I expect a meaningful word to be constructed out of it. For further cues, children, I am referring to a sea animal. Any responses, Natasha ma'am?
No, ma'am. They're just responding to the previous questions. Please, students, you need to respond to this particular question.
That's
Jumbled
the
up word.
jumbled up word there. I am referring to a sea animal, a sea creature with 8 hands. I think now you would get it.
But still.
What is it? Well, okay, let's not waste time. I will share the correct response, and that's an octopus there. OCTOPUS. Okay, gear up for the next cue, children. EOHRTN. That's the seat of a king. That's the seat of a ruler. EOHRTN. Do we get some responses here, ma'am? Natasha ma'am, do we get any responses?
No, ma'am, not
Still they are giving answer for
Previous
second
question.
activity.
These letters actually talk about the seat of a king, children. Jumbled up. So rearrange the letters and form a new word.
Be fast, students.
Now they have
Send
started
across your-
responding red car and all, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. The previous questions are being answered.
I think the responses are flowing in a little late perhaps. Alright, I will give in this one. The correct answer is throne. That is the seat of a king, children. Okay, here comes the third cue. CECAEP. CECAPE.
SECAEP.
Alright, sorry there. Yes, SECAEP. Any idea, children, what is this word referring to?
And I think they need a hint for that. Its meaning is to depart. Okay, finally the answer is here, escape.
Escape is the correct answer, children. I'm sure you must have been doing your jumbling of late. In school also we do practice this. Alright, that's the next cue. It refers to a fragrance, an odor, ESLML. ESLML. Any guesses there, students? You all started off well. I don't know what went wrong later.
Yes, ma'am.
ESLML. Just jumble up the words and form a meaningful word there. Any responses?
No, ma'am.
Now they are talking about octopus.
Yeah. They're still sharing the answers of the previous questions. Maybe the net is slow.
Alright children, I will go ahead with my correct response. The answer to this Q is smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. That's the correct answer. My next Q is a very simple one. I am sure by looking at the screen you will be able to figure it out. G-T-I-F.
This is the most easiest one in the list actually.
You special
Teachers,
get it?
any guesses? Maybe
Oh
the
my
panel of
God.
experts sitting here will be able to help me with this.
Yes,
G-T-I-F.
that's the most easiest one.
What could be the
Especially
correct answer
relates to
here?
birthday.
Is it gift, ma'am?
Gift.
That's
Exactly.
gift. Yes, unanimous answers coming in there. Children, see. The correct answer
Everyone
is
loves
gift.
to get it.
Yes.
Okay. I will go ahead with my next Q. That is a water body. O-N-D-P. It's a water body. Different types of water bodies we read about. It is one of them. Smell, gift have started flowing in. Let us wait for a second. I'm sure students have the right
Yes, ma'am.
responses.
Students, please send
Faster,
across
students,
your
faster. The time
responses.
is running out. Give
No?
pond.
Yes,
Yes.
somebody has written it wrong spelling. but
Okay,
it's
that is how you are
typing
taught,
error.
children. Then
Shilojana Praveen.
Typing
Shilojana
error?
Praveen, very
Yes,
good.
excellent.
typing error, we accept it as typing error, but if it would have been on your notebook, it would have been a spelling error, children. That is how we catch hold of you. Alright, the next Q here, double E-V-A-L. It means to depart actually. Double E-V-A-L. Any guesses, children? Double E-V-A-L. It means to depart. Yes, pond, we have already discussed the answer. The next Q I am talking about double E-V-A-L.
You write application also. You write one application.
Shall I share the answer, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you will have to share the answer. The answer is leave. L-E-A-V-E. That's the correct answer. Okay, Natasha, ma'am, we can go ahead with the next Q now. Alright, the next Q, T-R-S-E-O. This is a place from where we sell things or we also keep
Purchase
things.
things, yes.
Yes, we purchase things, we keep things. What could be the correct answer, children? Leave happening there now. Children, you have to be faster. You have to keep pace with my questions. Smell, gift, all that is over, my dear children. Look at your screens and answer. T-R-S-E-O. What could be the correct answer there? Any responses,
Still, no.
Natasha, ma'am?
Previous questions are being answered, ma'am.
They all copy paste. They all have this habit, I believe, no?
Yes.
Yes, we got the correct answer, ma'am.
That is
Fantastic.
Yes.
Yes, that is
Shweta Deepak Kedia. Okay, store is the correct answer. Yes.
Pragya, ma'am. Son.
Sen
also
also
has
Okay, Ayush is also giving us the right answer. Yes, store. Now I move on to my next Q, that is L-A-S-E-T, something which is not fresh. Something which is not fresh and is this. What is it, my students? L-A-S-E-T. What could it be, Ayush?
What
I'm
is
sure
the
you were
opposite
there.
of fresh?
Store, all store answers flowing in now.
We're still not getting correct answer.
Okay, children, without wasting further time again, I'm going to share the correct answer. The opposite of fresh is stale. S-T-A-L-E.
Manish Shahani said the answer.
Okay, Manish, good, well done. This is my last cue, and then we will again move ahead with another set of activities. A long string of words here, B-triple-E-S-T-R-M-P. Any guesses? The answer is very simple, though it looks difficult. It's name of a month, children. Any guesses? It is a name of a particular month. Look at your screens and respond, children. Store is over now.
Please be fast and send across your responses.
This is one of the name of the months.
They're still with stale and least. Least is also correct response, of course.
Yeah,
Manish Sahni.
Okay, Manish, well done.
Well done, Manish.
3 in a row. Yes, the answer is September.
Ayush also has answer.
Yes.
Well done, Ayush.
ULQIT, something which we use in the winters. ULQIT, something which we use in the winters. What could it be? To protect ourselves from the cold while we sleep. Any guesses, students? Okay, I am not waiting any further. It is not winters because the answer is quilt. QUILT, quilt. I hope you enjoyed this, and now I would just like to pass on the session to Natasha ma'am. I think she has some more interesting activities coming up.
Yes,
Go ahead,
ma'am.
Natasha ma'am.
Okay. So the next activity is you just have to look at these flashcards and just guess the correct word. So the first word is on your screen. Look at the word and write it down. Just identify, guess it correctly. Guess it correctly and
Try
write it
to
down.
frame a word using the hint, children. Try to frame a word. Pond, quilt, flowing in now.
Please be fast, students.
See the F and the ray of lights traveling outwards, children.
Any responses, ma'am?
No, ma'am, not yet. Still stuck with quilt and September. Well, I know the answer. Do you want me to give out the answer, Natasha
I
ma'am?
also know the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Pragya ma'am, go ahead.
Light.
Very
Yes.
good.
Oh.
Yes.
Flight
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
correct answer, children.
We'll go to the next one. That is P and A. Guess the word and type in your answers.
That looks like P and A, Natasha ma'am. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it?
P and A. It's tricky, but you can just identify it, brainstorm and think and type in your answers.
Can you just
Okay, you
I got
remember.
it. I
Natasha
got
ma'am.
it, Natasha ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
That
Share
is
it.
panda. P and A. P-A-N-D-A, panda.
Very good. Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
So I hope you enjoyed all the activities, children. Thank you so much for participating.
Well, that was an awesome session, I must say. Don't you think, Hirodra ma'am?
Absolutely, Afrin ma'am. There is no doubt over it. And I'm sure all my students must have enjoyed the session, every bit of the session they have taken care.
Exactly, Hirodra ma'am. The word games we witnessed today must have sparked up the passion for learning new words and using them in an appropriate way amongst other students.
So keep learning. Stay tuned to our Facebook channel for our upcoming sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the session.
Bye,
everyone.
Thank you, children, for joining.
Thank you so much, students, for joining and participating.
Thank you, my children, smart, active children. Thank you.
Bye all.
Thanks for being with us.